Anybody know? What? Anybody see for funky and the monkey? Yeah, man. What kind of interracial animal relation combination is this? Eh? What is this? We are dealing with, brethren. Me know people go and be like, why you have to think like that? Take your mind out the gutter. Take the monkey out your melon. Eh? And a serious note. Take the monkey out your melon. Eh? You know, cut piece of the melon, brethren, and give the monkey, and you have your own different. Eh? What scientists put you up to this? What lab put you up to this? Why you feel like you must intertwine and saliva exchanging with the monkey like that, brethren? Eh? What you want to do? Initiate one of them new virus? This look like a little Ebola mixed with COVID. Me know you're the summer right now I suffer from Ebovid. Eh? What you really depend, brethren? How you could do that? So I am asking, why you couldn't cut piece of the melon and just give it to the monkey right there and you have your piece different? What kind of intertwine is this, brethren? Eh? How do them thing there? No, sir. No, different, me I tell you no. That's why I have to rate Jamaican, you know. Because a pet. And pet hold them own and stay them own ground. Pet have them own bed, them have them own pot, them have them own plate. You come to Jamaica, pet they run them stove a cook. No man, and I seriously, you don't run them joke, brethren. This don't look good, brethren. This don't look good. Where you create? I still ask if you create one of the new virus. Eh? That's what you're doing.